guys, welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video where today we are going to be playing Parkour Expedition. Now this, I haven't read yet, so hello, this is my first map ever made. Look and enjoy. Parkour Expedition, super mega awesome adventure. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is cake. Cookies, golden carrots. Let's not take the cookies. And some steak. Oh no. This is the good one. There we go. If you do not want to try. Oh wait. Oh my god, look at Link. And Mario and Luigi. I'm gonna go do the parkour, because this is, no. Let me just get a, stone pressure plate. Did not take it. There we go. Because I really need to get in again. Let me in. There we go. Now, hello, my name is Jelly. I'll follow you. Oh, okay, Steve. Okay, let's go on this rainbow. Rainbow is awesome. Look at a house. Let's go sleep there. Okay. Let's go sleep there. No! Really? I just lost. Which way do I go? I'm gonna go this way. This is easy, I think. Oh gosh. Oh! Oh look, what's this? You just tricked me by giving me cake. I hate you. I have to restart. Why did I do that? Really? Sorry guys for my stupidness. Whoa. Okay, this jump is hard. Let's go here. No! Ah! Hate this. Look, there's a chest. I'm gonna steal your stuff. You don't have anything? Really? I hate that. Well, how am I supposed to do that jump? I think it's possible. I'm sure it is. Come on. Let's do this. Come on. And jump! No! I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. And I finally did the jump. Whew. I hate that house. Let's go here. If I lose, I'm gonna kill myself. Because that jump took me literally forever. Here. Keep going. Where the heck am I going? All this way just to go to a little thing, a little house. God, I'm getting worried. No! No! Oh, damn! I can't believe I'm restarting. Ooh, this way. No, they're just the same. Come on. Go! Yes! First go. Come on, we have to do this parkour. I wish there were checkpoints. Or I'm gonna make my own checkpoint. That goes down. No, I'm gonna keep going, like this guy says. There, this, like this. Oh, there's the Link and the Mario and Luigi. That other thing over there. I don't know what that is. Is that a snake? What is that? Why are they both angry? Come on, yes, I'm doing it. Please don't fail now. Don't ruin it. Please don't ruin it. I changed my skin, guys. Oh, look at these. He made them exactly the same. You're awesome. No! What the heck? I cannot restart that. Oh my god. You know what? No, I don't care. No, I don't want to. I want to do the parkour. You'll see what I'll do. Come on. I swear I'm going back. I do not care. Not gonna do this again. There. Stopped here, I think. There we go. Come on. Don't fail me. Oh my gosh. I almost failed that. Go to the rest. Follow me. Follow the heads. What is wrong with the fire? Why is it all like not moving?
We need to go, please. We're very late.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So bye.